First step. Turn off the phone. Second step. Hold volume up and power on or off until it on. Sa pagpili, gamitin volume up or volume down at pagnikapili na, pindutin power on or off. Piliin ang recovery mode. Pindutin power on or off. Hanapin clear data at pindutin ito. Hanapin clear all data at pindutin ito. Piliin ang OK. Pindutin ang return. Pindutin ang arrow back. Hanapin restart at pindutin ito. Then OK. Baka naman, huwag humingi ang paper, pa-like, share, subscribe, at pasantak na rin ang notification bell. Baka naman, huwag humingi ang paper, pa-like, share, subscribe, at pasantak na rin ang notification bell. Thank you for watching.